8:09 and the cops have already showed up. So, unfortunately, I was hoping to work on the transmission today, and I don't think that's gonna be able to happen, unfortunately. So I'm starting this video off early. I don't know if I told you this to begin with, but ever since I bought the truck, I've had training line issues. The training lines leak at the crimp where it connects both lines. And I checked it yesterday and it was pretty dang low. So I'm gonna go to Garber Ram today and grab some training fluid and throw it in this thing before I take this truck to Detroit tonight. And I gotta get the truck washed. All right, got the training fluid. Now I gotta run to O'Reilly's and grab a funnel and then get the truck washed and should be good to go. All right, here she is, all dried off. All dried off and ready for the meet. Oh, baby. All right, let's go. All right, so it's been a couple hours. I actually just uploaded a video about me talking to you guys. I figured I had the time today and I kind of wanted to explain some stuff to you guys, so go check that video out. It's gonna be right up there if you haven't already. But otherwise, I just got done with that and it is currently 4:34. I gotta put together all my drone. I got the drone, I got the blades. So actually, when I was down in Florida, I cracked 2 blades. Thankfully, they were different blades, so like these 2 are the same and these 2 are the same. I cracked some blades and I got them fixed because it gives you 2 extra ones, 1 of each, and luckily it was these 2 that were broken, so I fixed those, got this all charged up. I'm gonna put it all together and get my camera stuff. I'm gonna take a shower, truck's clean, Jalen's ready, and we're gonna go meet up with the guys, and I'll see you there in like 5 seconds. And here we are. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. What's up, man?
Yeah.
How you doing? Good. All right, we're on the way. We got the 300 SRT8 behind us, Colin behind him, and Mikey coming up. All right, we're not here yet. We had to stop quick because Jalen had to take a nice old pee-pee. This thing sounds so good. And Colin's over there getting some gas. The meet starts at 8 and it is already full, like 100% full.
There are lines to get in there. They're gonna have to change the location. This is way too many people.
I don't know if I'm gonna get on it. Look at this, the meet is not even like started yet and it is packed.
Is there a DJ and everything?
Yeah. So. Ooh, 9/11. Good grief, this is huge. It's 8:09 and the cops have already showed up. You're it.
Yo, buddy, I'm hopping in your backseat because cops are over here, don't know what
I don't know
to
if
do.
I got spice, but all right.
Yo,
Spice?
wait, first off, gearhead, hold up.
I know, it was
It
natural.
just happened. Oh, you got a half seat, don't you?
It was natural.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Someone just got pulled over, like 13 minutes into the meet.
Well, technically the meet, honestly, I showed up at like 7:30, it was already packed. The meet's been going on for like an hour.
So I got the spot, somehow I got the spot right in front of Andrew.
So I stole Zach's camera. If you haven't already, I'm totally self-plugging myself right now because Zach is a really cool dude. Like a cool dude.
He's pretty okay.
He seems like a mean kind of guy.
He's a little mean sometimes.
But I'm totally self-plugging myself right now. Make sure to go subscribe to my channel, my new channel, Andrew Herschel. You might have seen me before on his.
I'm on the flyer right now, dude.
He's you might have seen me on his channel as Gearhead Drummer. I actually still have the sticker on the back of my truck. You getting the drone out. Oh, dude, that looks sweet.
Yeah, you're repping that phone vlog right now, guy.
I really.
Oh, there they are, right there.
Really.
Where'd you guys park? Down there?
Oh,
you guys parked together?
Alright, so right here, right after that subway, we took a right, go back there, and then take a left, and it's back behind those back buildings. Yeah.
Dude, I was just going through this parking lot, and two people went out. I was like, sweet.
Cool.
You completely just walked right by it.
Look at this.
Yeah, I just bought it too, so he hasn't taken it to the drag strip the previous owner did.
Oh, you know him?
Oh no, I talked to him.
Oh.
But dude, he's rocking some 275s.
God dang, dude.
They look nice.
Catfish. I like that. This is our dream build car right here.
This is my most likely next car.
Yeah, I know. I'm jealous.
Month, hopefully.
They're telling us to go home?
They're telling us to leave because businesses aren't complaining.
All right, you gotta talk loud too.
Everyone's getting kicked out.
What?
Everyone's getting kicked out.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I think it's nasty.
So yeah, what is it? What time is it? 8:20? 8:42, and
42 minutes in.
and like they kicked us out like 10 minutes ago.
What time is it?
It's only 8:42.
Wow. Good thing I got here at 7:30. Been here for about an hour. Oh, dude, that ramp looks sweet.
Oh my God, it does. Yeah.
I don't know my ramps very well. Forward the cars.
All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of what's going on. We're currently sitting here, Andrew, Colin, and me. We're waiting on Mikey. The whole place got shut down like in 15-20 minutes, and it was a cluster bang trying to get out of there. So we met up, tried to meet up somewhere, didn't happen. So now we met up here. We're waiting for Mikey. Steven went home. There's a second meetup, and you know we about to go to the second meetup. All right, Jalen, let's see it happen. You're gonna get ran over by Mikey. Holy! There we go. We finally got him.
All right. First off, it's the other foot. It's the other.
Little intermission here, I guess.
I'm gonna watch Zach get on a. Just move that board. Just run. Just run to get off. This is actually kind of impressive. I'm gonna love watching him eat it. I'm gonna love when he eats it.
Whoa! All right, Jalen, that's enough for Jay.
Get that on camera.
I got that on camera. That's enough for Jalen.
Right.
Yep. You got one. All right, it's time to go. All right, second location. Here we are.
Why didn't we just start off here?
Because the meat wasn't supposed to be here. There's already a cop here.
Is that a joke?
No, look, right there.
Oh, right there. Already a cop.
A lot more tame then.
All right, we are at the second location. Popo's already here.
I honestly like this place way better. Zach, this would be a good time to pull out the.
Oh. Oh, that's curry. Right there. Unpopular opinion, I love those.
Huh?
I love SS Cobalts.
Yeah?
I really do.
Look it.
Everybody hates them, but I like them.
This thing, I still don't know. I still haven't figured it out.
Is that a Supra? I can't tell. I'm terrible at Japanese old cars. I have no idea what it is. All right, so we got a Cruise. We got a Cruise. It's all bloody. It says help, and it's got an STI wing on it.
Instagram, I want to do a review of your car. This is hilarious, actually. Oh!
It's a Caprice. I think it's badass.
Like a sticker instead of a.
Everybody's just getting.
Esta policía.
Police is here, baby. Come on, let her eat. There he goes.
Jay trying to get a thumbnail.
Record. I was about to race this car, and there was a cop right there. All right, so we back at home, but we stopped to get Mikey some gas. Colin and the BRZ already took off, but this is the aftermath of the burnout. Jeez, how are your tires? Dang, your tires are bald. All right, guys, real quick here. So I'm back at home. It's the next day. Just got done editing this video, and I didn't record an intro or an outro yet. So awesome, great way to start off the year with these meets. Really excited to do a bunch more of these, cruising with them. Had a blast hanging out with Colin and Julie and Mikey and Andrew, Steven and Justin, Jay, and hopefully we can get a lot more people to go down with us to these. Got another one next weekend. It's not gonna be this big, so it shouldn't get shut down, and it's actually like ran where it's supposed to be and everything. But nonetheless, it was a great time. Had a lot of fun. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.